Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to compare the Mi Band 4 versus the fake Mi Band 4. This is called the M4. We showed you before the unbox video of this smartwatch. So today we are going to compare them and see the difference between the real one and the fake one. So the research that we've done, this is the fake one that is selling very good in Chinese market, so we have to try for ourselves and see the difference between the real one and the fake one. So as you can see, we have the Mi Band 4 and the fake one right here in front of us. In the outside look, they look pretty much similar and you can recognize them. If you haven't had the chance to see in person the Mi Band 4, you can get tricked and buy the fake one instead of the real one. The band looks same, but the bands of the fake one are more harder instead of the real one that are more softer rubber bands. So you can get a hint if it's real or fake in the hardness of the bands. Besides that, they look similar. The best way to know if it's the real one or the fake one is to look inside of the software. So if you want to buy one, look at the software first and you will notice the most of the things aren't like the real Mi Band 4. For example, the colors and the options that the real Mi Band 4 offers us. So basically through the software you will notice the fake one. It's actually easier to find the fake one for those who watched our videos, because we did too many videos with the Mi Band 4 and we showed you in details of this watch. You can share this video with your friends and family members, so in that case they don't get scammed as well from the fake sellers that are online and in the market as well. So let's go now and power them on, see the difference in box. And also we're going to show you the difference in the software that we talked about before, and the difference in the box as well. They have some difference and some marks that the fake one doesn't have. So let's go ahead now, see what we got. So now as you can see, we have the boxes right here in front of us, and actually there are too many difference in the box. As you can see, in the back of the real Mi Band 4 we have a big letter, and in the fake one we don't have it. Let's go and take out of the box the real one. As you can see, this beautiful package, and we have the watch already started. In the bottom we have this beautiful charger, and we will see the difference in the charger as well. So you can see how it has the Mi sign right here, so everyone look out for the Mi sign. Everywhere in the smartwatch we have the sign. So let's put back the charger now, grab the user manual, see the difference in that as well. As you can see, immediately we have the Mi sign and the other languages. Let's go and put it back as it was, and go ahead, see the box or the unboxing of the fake one. So you can immediately see the colors and the texture is not the same in the fake one. So immediately you can recognize the plastic one right here, the plastic holder, and the charger as well. As you can see, it's shorter, and immediately you will notice the difference between the real one and the fake one. Let's go back, put it again in the box, and see the difference in the smartwatch. So you can see the brightness immediately, it's brighter in the real one. Let's take a look in the fake one first. It doesn't have a touch screen. First we have steps, location, burn calories. Next we have heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, find phone, messages, and menu, power off, and that's all. So you can see it doesn't have too many options and it's not that good. Let's go now to the real Mi Band 4. we have a touch screen. Here with beautiful screen we have status, heart rate, workout, weather, messages, more, and that's all. As you can see, we have pretty good color. So guys, this was all for today's video. Thank you very much. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next video.